Vlogmas day 18. It is incredibly windy here today. It's very cold outside. We even had a little bit of snow this morning, but it's since stopped. Now it's just blowing, and I apologize, Jason's egg is just like making all kinds of racket here. It's 41 degrees outside. It's crazy windy. We have a slight chance of precipitation today, not a whole lot. It already snowed this morning, like I mentioned, so I don't know. We'll have to see what the rest of the day brings, but it's freezing outside, so I'm gonna head in. So bad news, I think my Quilt of Valor label is lost in the mail. So I contacted the Etsy seller, and I mean, you can watch it. It goes like from wherever she lived all the way to the West Coast and back and like up and down, and it's gone all over the place, and so I'm really worried that it's not gonna get here in time. Now, I don't know why I didn't do this before, but I actually have printable fabric sheets for my printer, and so I went ahead and just designed my own label, printed it all off, it's ready to go, and now I'm gonna be able to add it into my quilt so it will be ready in time to gift, which will be like next week. So I guess if the other label ever gets here, then I don't know. The last tracking was like December 9th, and now it's just, there's just all these weird things after it. So I think it's MIA. So today's ornament is our little bauble, and I actually remade it, so that's why it's not in a hoop right now, but I made it a little bit larger so that it fit the circle better, and so you guys should all have that in your pattern because I did that before I released the patterns. But anyways, this one is really cute. You can make it any color. I chose to make it all red, but then it has that cute little flower, sort of Nordic flower detail in the center, and so much fun. Day 18. Ooh, last year when I got one of these, I made a little bag right here on Vlogmas. We might have to do the same thing. Look at how cute. So this is Holiday Essentials Christmas by Stacey. It's Two. I never can say her last name, but very cute. Ooh, look at this one.
Oh my gosh.
That one is cool. I like that one. Okay, so I showed you guys some possible patterns for this, so make sure that you leave it in the comments what you would like me to do or what you think would be the best one. This one's like, it's probably my favorite. This one's super squishy.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that nice? Okay, and here they all are. Okay, so I'm sorry for the shaky footage. That was horrible, I'm sure. It was really hard to film, and my camera was having a really hard time picking him up. Plus, it was super windy, so I was getting like blown all over the place. But every now and then we have a bald eagle he lives in some of those trees back there on the reservoir, and so you don't get to see him all the time, but yeah, he's just out there soaring around and just enjoying the high gusts, I guess, because he was just floating and doing spins, and it was really cool. I wish I could have gotten some better video for you guys, but anyways, we have to head to the store. We've got a couple of things to pick up, and then we have a conference call this afternoon with one of the universities for my daughter so that we can make sure that the classes she's taking are going to be a good fit for them. And yeah, I don't know. That's what we have going on so far this afternoon. I will catch back up with you later when things get more exciting. Okay, so we were just here yesterday, and as soon as we got home, we realized we were out of milk. So yes, 2%. Haven't showed much of the birdies lately. Here's Remy. He likes to hang upside down on his cage. And then let's see if we can get Kiwi without freaking him out. Here's Kiwi up here, probably munching on that thingy. But neither one of them are huge fans of the camera, so. Wanna come out, Rim Rim? Why are you inside? Step up. I haven't held them very much, and they definitely don't like the camera, so. Come here, good boy. Remy, come here. Step up. Good boy. Come here. Hi, Remy. Remy, wanna come out? Nope. And Kiwi's going in too. They do not like the camera. I used to film them a lot more, but since I've stopped filming, they're definitely kind of camera shy, so not a fan. But Haley's been working with them a lot, and she's even got them to, she'll sit on her bed and they'll fly out and land on her finger. So she's been doing a lot of work with them, but they are not a fan of this. Okay, so I am making my white chicken chili tonight, so I figured I would show you. It's a perfect make-ahead dish, especially when it's cold outside. So all the ingredients are listed on my blog. I will link that for you below, but basically you need Alfredo sauce, some sour cream, some half and half. You need 2 cans of northern white beans. You need 2 to 3 cups of chicken stock, a couple cloves of garlic. You need some, you can either use a can of corn or you can use frozen corn. I just had frozen, so I'll probably put like half that bag in. You also need some chopped up onions, chopped up green peppers. Hopefully these aren't too hot. These are just Anaheim peppers that I get every year from, we have people who sell them kind of on the street, and this year they are actually really hot even though I asked for mild, so hopefully it's not too spicy. And then you just need some cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and then you need some shredded chicken, which is currently defrosting in my microwave. Okay, so it's really easy. You just pour everything into your crock pot. You also need some shredded Monterey Jack cheese, and I don't have that out yet because you put that in later, so that's just in my fridge. I also have some leftover rotisserie chicken that we're going to put in. And then you just simply stir it all up and just let this cook for several hours. I usually just put it on kind of mid-morning, and then right before you're going to serve it, you're going to add in your Monterey Jack cheese. You can also top it with a few extra black olives, and yeah, serve it with tortillas. You can top it with some extra cheese if you want, but I don't really think it needs it. We usually just eat it with our tortillas, and it is delicious. Those kids kick you out of the basement. Were you being a bad kitty? They're down there trying to watch a movie, and someone just ran up the stairs and tossed him out the door. So my guess is he was causing trouble. Okay, so we are running a quick errand, and then we're gonna come home and eat dinner, and I think we might watch a movie tonight. I already got Vlogmas for today edited, so that is good. You guys will have a video for tomorrow. And yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, we added our cheese, and I think we're ready for dinner. Okay, sit, shake, shake. Can you move the TV? Dang it, are you kidding me? Look!
Wow.
How did you have so many cards?